Welcome back to Crypto Tutorial. On today's video, I would like to discuss why I'm longing Ethereum right now and why you should actually do that as well. So what I wanted to discuss is why Ethereum is actually so bullish right now and why you have a great opportunity to actually long Ethereum. And as well, I wanted to let you know that if you could follow me on Twitter, it would actually be highly appreciated at Thorough Crypto for all of you guys. So if we take a quick look at Ethereum right now, what we can currently see is that we are actually trading above our previous level of resistance, where we have been able to find support on top, find resistance underneath, support on top. And if we head even further towards the past, what you can clearly see is that I think it is actually quite marvelous that we have seen as well in the past several times, well, support on top and resistance underneath this range. Therefore, this is a level where I personally think we have a very good possibilities to stay above. And what I tweeted just a couple of seconds ago is that I wanted to long Ethereum at $4,117, and that is for sure something I did not do because I was able to enter my trade just a couple of minutes ago. So at $4,044.80 I was able to enter my trade just a couple of minutes ago. But I personally think if you are still able to enter your trade at $4,117, that could perhaps be as well a major position where you do want to take advantage of. Especially if we take a look at previous data, you can clearly see that once we saw major legs towards the downside, lastly we did find support underneath this range where we are currently above. And what I think is absolutely important is that we saw this major rally towards the upside afterwards. So therefore, I am actually quite convinced that if we do see a stronghold getting created on top of this previous resistance, I personally think that it will be absolutely bullish, especially because we will be creating as well a higher low in comparison to our previous low. So that is absolutely important. What else I would like to show you is actually the RSI. On the RSI, we are clearly seeing right now a bullish divergence taking place on the 4-hourly time frame. We are seeing clearly a higher low on the chart and a lower low on the RSI. Therefore, I am right now absolutely extremely bullish on Ethereum so far, and I personally think that it is very likely that we are going to find a stronghold and eventually see a major leg towards the upside getting started. So that is something you do not want to miss out on during this weekend. And as well, if we head towards a 1-hourly time frame, you can clearly see that we are as well here spotting a bullish divergence in comparison to our previous low. We are clearly seeing a higher low compared to the previous low. So, and this is a bullish divergence on the 1-hourly. I think it is actually rather far. So if we take a look at the immediate short term, we are not seeing any type of bullish divergences. But what I think is important is that we are breaking far below the dotted line on the lower part. And the last time we did actually see this, we did actually see a stronghold getting found underneath this level of resistance where we are currently finding support on top. And therefore, I'm actually absolutely bullish because we did see a major rise towards the upside at that point in time, and actually something very similar is very likely to occur so far. So I am personally very bullish on Ethereum right now, and these are the reasons why I'm actually longing this position so far. What else is actually good to know is that if you are on the MACD looking at the 1-hourly time frame, you can clearly see that we already experienced major momentum towards the downside, and therefore I personally think that it is very likely that we are going to see right now a momentum decline instead of a further decrease in price action. And that is exactly why I think we will be able to hold strong on top of this 23% Fibonacci at $4,145 as well. If we head towards the 4-hourly time frame, yes, we do see right now a continuation of momentum towards the downside, but I do think this is as well looking absolutely good, because if we do see afterwards a decline in momentum and as well a stronghold being found on the chart, we will for sure eventually see a crossover and that major leg towards the upside that I was talking about previously. So still, I personally think that the $4,117 is a level where you could perhaps enter this trade so far and make major gains off. So if you are wondering, should I do this, or where could I leverage trade or buy any type of cryptocurrencies, do not forget that down below in the description you will be able to earn up to $3,500 deposit bonus by joining Bybit, and that is also the platform that I personally use for all my trades. So I really recommend this to everyone. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this short update, do not forget to give me a thumbs up down below. It will be highly appreciated, and as well, I wish you a pleasant day.